Okay. Hello, boys and girls. My name's Tim. What's your name? Okay, how are you today? I'm happy. I hope you're happy too. Okay, now boys and girls, we're going to review the flashcards before the story. Are you ready? I'm ready. Right, so listen and say. Here we go. Shark, shark, octopus, octopus, fish, fish, dolphin, dolphin, elephant, elephant, lion, lion, giraffe, giraffe, monkey, monkey, snake, snake, tiger, tiger, deer, deer, fox, fox, squirrel, squirrel, wolf, wolf, jungle, jungle, forest, forest, sea, sea, plane, plane, boat, boat, eat, eat, tree, tree, rat, rat, bird, bird. Okay, well done boys and girls. Great job. Okay boys and girls, are you ready for an exciting story? Yes! Okay, this story is called Marvin's Tree. Okay, one morning, Marvin the monkey is eating a banana in a tree in the jungle. Then suddenly, swat! A man cuts down a bunch of bananas. The bunch of bananas and Marvin fall onto a truck. Then, what happens? Marvin wakes up in the city. He hears a loud sound. What could that be? Eek! Eek! It is a rat. The rat offers Marvin some garbage to eat. Do you want an apple? Says the rat. Marvin says, no. No, thank you. I don't eat garbage. I'm a jungle monkey. Okay, so what happens next, boys and girls? Let's see. Marvin does not want to be in the city. Do you want to be in the city? He sees a boat going out of town and jumps on it. He's going back to the jungle. Marvin says, the city is not for me. It's not for a jungle monkey. I want to go back to the jungle. I want to go back to my tree. Now, does Marvin end up back in the jungle, boys and girls? Let's find out. Later, Marvin arrives in the savannah. He hears a loud sound. Roar, says the lion. The lion offers him some meat. Do you want some meat? No, thank you, lion. I don't eat meat. I'm a jungle monkey. So what happens next, boys and girls? Can you guess? Let's find out. Marvin doesn't want to be in the savannah. He sees a plane and he jumps on the plane. He's going back to the jungle, is what Marvin thinks. The savannah is not for me. The jungle is for me. I want to go back to the jungle and I want to go back to my tree, says Marvin. So, later, he arrives in a forest, not the jungle. He hears a sound. What could that be? Chirp, 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 chirp. It is a bird. The bird offers him some worms. Do you want some worms? Says the bird. No, thank you, says Marvin. I don't eat worms. I'm a jungle monkey. Okay. Next page. Marvin doesn't want to be in the forest. he sees a motorbike and jumps on it. He's going back to the jungle. The forest is not a place for a jungle monkey. I want to go back to the jungle, says Marvin. I want to go back to my tree, to my bananas. So, boys and girls, does he go back to the jungle? Let's see. Marvin arrives in the jungle. Look, there's his tree. Marvin says, "This is the place for me. I'm a jungle monkey. This is my habitat. I'm so happy in my tree." The end. Yes! He's back in the jungle. Was that exciting, boys and girls? I think so. That's it. That's the end, boys and girls. So I hope you enjoyed the story. But now it's time to say goodbye. So, goodbye!
Sài Gòn Academy, tiên phong giáo dục sớm từ 0 tuổi.